Ìfẹ́ làkọjá òfin, ìfẹ́ lohun gbogbo. But when death is involved, every other voice is silenced.
Will you have this woman, Mojeti Oluwa, as your wife? No.
Iruju, Mirage, kàyéfì ńlá ni, ìdààmú ńlá ni, ìrújú tó ń dorí àgbà kodò. A mystery and puzzle never resolved.
We noticed same set of numbers, only a little different this time around. We noticed 07707.
It is posing to be a madman. Is he really a mad person?
It's a beautiful thing, you know. It's a very beautiful thing.
On my way, sir, I saw a crime scene, and it's a groom again, murdered. I stumbled on a madman, and this madman is writing 070707.
Will you marry me?
Iruju, Mirage, starring Eniola Olaniyan, Kunle Afod, Regina Chukwu, Motilola Adekunle, Lanre Afod, in Iruju Mirage, written and produced by Motilola Adekunle, directed by Kunle Afod, marketed and distributed by Almaroof Standard Investment, Block EU4, Suite 5/6, Army Arena Shopping Complex, Bolade Oshodi, Lagos.